All right, guys, this is my shop. This is what we got here, guys. This is what the shop looks like. Actually, I got an office in here, man, but I'm never in here, guys. You don't see anything in here, man, because I'm always either in this shop. All right, guys, this is Emmett again, the Alpha Builder. And I should do a whole lot more videos about this right here, man, but guys, I had to come over to my shop. This is a shop that I work out of, and I had to come over to this shop. Let me just kind of go this way. And I'm going to be building some shutters here. So sometimes there are certain trades that I can't find anybody to do it. And these are very specific type of, no, I'm sorry, shutters. These are very specific type of shutters. I don't know anybody that can do these right here. I don't have subcontractors that can do these. Hint, hint, guys. If you guys want to get into the trades, man, this is a good opportunity to do shutters. I would pay somebody to do these things right here. But if you guys get a chance, man, while you're at it, while you're looking at this right here, go ahead and hit the like button or share this right here with somebody else so that we can push the algorithm and grow this channel. But guys, some of you guys just getting to my channel. I saw, I put up a couple of videos, YouTube videos, and some people are just coming in and starting to check this stuff out. But this is my shop, and I should do more videos on this right here, guys. This is my shop here, and I teach construction, guys. So I'm here at the community college, and for liability purposes, I'm not going to say what community college I'm at. But this right here, man, I mean, I just kind of, it's kind of easier for me if I'm gonna build these shutters. It's kind of easier for me to have, I got everything right here, man. I mean, I got my planer here, I got my saws here, and I think I pretty much pushed the DeWalt. So the DeWalt is kind of what I use for the most part. But guys, this right here has everything that you can do as far as teaching construction. I got a lot of products here, guys. It's just kind of real unorganized. I had to get this stuff cleaned up. I can't stand this stuff right here. I probably have to organize that eventually. But I have a bunch of tables for my students to come in and do their thing. You can see, and I got a whole bunch of different things right here that I work with. And guys, my dad give me these peanuts here. He just, I don't like to tell him, don't give it to me. Because my dad is at a point, he's older, and the only thing that he goes out, my dad's a hustler, man. He hustles all the time. He taught me how to hustle, and he goes out, he pick pecans, he pick peanuts and stuff like that, and he picks so much and he have so much, man. I just can't tell him, don't give it to me, man, because I don't have room for it right now. So I just bring it over to my shop, and now it looks like the squirrels have gotten a hold to it, and they're having a good time down there eating these things. But I can't tell him because I know that, my dad is not in a position to give me much. That's about the only thing that he can give me, so I take it. So this is kind of what my shop looks like, guys. Got a couple of bird houses. I usually make the guys do bird houses at the beginning, just to kind of see their handy skills. And I just got these items here. And some of these items right here are recycled. I recycle a lot of this stuff. Like if I have too much of like these nails right here, these galvanized nails. If I have too much on a job site, I shift this stuff over to another job site. Me and my students can't use it all. So this is what we look like, guys. Over here would be my office, and you see there's nothing in my office, man, because I don't really ever be in here, guys. This right here is just an empty office, man. I don't be in here. They even got a drafting table. No one use that stuff anymore. We use computers now. So a lot of stuff here is really, really outdated. Here, and guys, I think we're using DeWalt. Although, guys, I tell you what, man, I'm switching over to Milwaukee. I think Milwaukee, the battery-powered tools is, man, no one can beat them. This right here is my classroom. So this is where all the stuff happens as far as me teaching. This is where I teach my guys. And we have lectures. Of course, guys, I do a lot of different things. I can live stream, and I can teach in person, and I can record everything all in one bang. And this is what I do for my students. That way, if some of the students got to work, because a lot of my students got to work, guys. Like they pushing full-time jobs. Construction, man, is a side hustle for them, and I think it's a good side hustle only because right now they hadn't figured out a way to get the AI and the robots to get in here and like build shutters that we have over here. They can't do that yet. So this is a good opportunity to make a little hustle, make a little money, man, where you guys can grow yourself. Plus, man, once you learn a trade, man, it's hard to take that stuff away from you. So this is what we got here, guys, and this is where they still got me on this right here, dry erase board. Although I use this little thing up here, it projects it, but it doesn't give me a real nice, crisp picture. So maybe they have updated all the classrooms with the exception of mine. And guys, one of the reasons I think they don't update mine is because my program is growing and doesn't need anything. I don't need, anything to lure more students in and say, hey man, those guys have techie stuff. So my program is actually growing, man. When we've actually grown this program tremendously since I've been here about 4 years now. And guys, I love to teach, man. If you can see right here, guys, obsession is a necessity. So this is kind of what I have. So this is the classroom setting, and I keep. Like I said, that's an outdated that thing. And here's another thing, guys. There's a lot of stuff in here. I would just throw this stuff away. But guys, when you're dealing with government, and I think schools are ran like government, you got to do a requisition to get rid of it. It's just not even worth my time. I just leave it here and turn it into furniture. This right here is where I keep all my batteries. You can see my battery file, so I can kind of look at it. I got a few computers down here too, guys. But this is sometimes we have to build. This right here is my main area where we actually come in and we actually build structures and houses, guys. We build, small houses. We got decks and things like that. You can kind of look up inside of here, man. We kind of tried to finish this off with sheetrock and drywall. So we do come here. And guys, when I build them, man, I put these things on rollers, man, and we'll roll it out of here. I got a guy that's gonna come pick this up. Hopefully we get this stuff picked up pretty soon. So this is what we got, man. This is the other shop, guys. So this is big enough where we can build a whole lot of stuff in here, guys. I try to recycle most of my lumber. Sometimes I have lumber here, and we built these bins right here. But I try to, anything that we could use, man, I'm gonna try to really reuse it. So I will start doing, eventually I start doing more videos on what happens in the shop. And I do a couple of live streams on what happens in the shop, guys. But this is more, and these are some of the items that my guys have built, man. Guys, and I didn't know that these things right here cost about $300, $250 to $300. You put a paint on these right here. I didn't know they cost that much. This is just something we threw together, man. I got benches and stuff that I really gotta get rid of these things, man, because I don't, I just kind of give them away and things like that. So I will start doing more videos on what goes on in this shop here, guys. And I'm actually doing a video on me doing these shutters too, so we'll get that stuff done as well. All right, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, like, share, subscribe, and this is the way.